I was just looking at it. CDOT is already tweeting out some advisories, some chain laws to become in effect later today. So if you're doing mountain drives, you need to have those chains in the car. Follow the chain laws, go look them up and remind yourselves. Today we are going to go ahead and focus on some wind danger. We've got high winds and fire danger in effect today. Wind gusts could be between 30 to 60 miles per hour at times, and we are going to see very extreme fire danger with active mountain snow going on to the west, and we're going to see strong, if not severe, storms going on to the east. Now we're going to break this down as we get out a little bit farther into time. We've got red flag warnings in effect up and down I-25 from El Paso County down to Trinidad, Los Animas County, and then Fremont County at east. There's more fire danger. When we take a look at the winds later today, so the wind warnings are in effect all along I-25 and then down towards Trinidad. So we're going to have westerly, southwesterly wind gusts that could be up to 50 to 60 miles per hour, and that could cause problems for north-south drives with trucks, high-profile vehicles. So we're also kind of waiting on a little bit more of this moisture here. When you look at snow, the mountains will see the most of it here. So mountain pass travel and then also I-70 travel could be difficult today. For I-70, not really even for accumulation. There probably will be some that stacks up on the road, more for the wind and the visibility issues. La Veta Pass through today could get a little bit of rain to snow, and I think west of 50 over Monarch Pass, you're going to get some snow up on that pass. But as far as things go closer to home, some scattered showers in the wet mountains, maybe a stray shower from Fremont to El Paso County. Most of what we're dealing with today is wind. Temperatures today are in the 50s and 60s from the mountains to the interstate, warmer east. Blow out your sprinkler systems tonight. We are going to see temperatures close enough to freezing. I want you to do it. And then after tonight, we should get down to freezing in most of our zones. Now tomorrow we are looking at a nice day. It's going to be a deeper freeze Wednesday night through Thursday morning. From Thursday to Friday morning, we're going to have rain to snow mixing together. Don't really think we'll get much for accumulation in the Springs, but on the north end of town, there could be maybe a couple inches. We're still kind of ironing that system out. In Pueblo, strong winds today, close enough to freezing today, or tonight rather, in the next few nights. Blow out the sprinklers. We are going to look at some rain possible Thursday night through Friday, but even a little snow could mix in Friday morning. Canyon City is similar, where a quick shower is possible today, but then we're going to see temperatures drop and that rain to snow chance kick in Thursday night through Friday. Woodland Park could get some snow to mix in with rain today, but not really much of a problem for travel. And then we've got more snow coming Thursday night through Friday with cold temperatures.